Carino, and I guess the only footnote I should add is that Carino represents DFO on both the Green Infrastructure Partnership and the Intergovernmental Partnership for the Water Balance Model. So great. I want to hand that baton off to Ed, and good catch. And Ed is actually, well, your day job is with Metro Vancouver, but Ed is one of the original champions on the Water Balance Model team, and a member of the Intergovernmental Partnership. And Ed, you have a specific plug to make today, don't you?
I do indeed. Thanks, Steve. I'm involved on the program owner for the Liquid Waste Management Plan at Metro Vancouver. And that plan is currently being reviewed and updated. Why does that matter? Well, there's pretty important actions in that plan that commit member municipalities and Metro Vancouver towards more effective stormwater management. Some of those actions would be actually undertaking integrated stormwater management plans in every watershed within Metro Vancouver. There's timelines associated with that. There's been guides prepared, tools prepared, water balance model being a very good example of one of the tools that many municipalities are using. There's a lot of other actions in there. What I would suggest you do, rather than me going through a litany of all the different actions that might apply here today, the draft plan is available on our website. I'll add a caveat though, it's the December 2008 draft plan, and we've just gone to the board to update that draft plan before we go to public consultation. So that's actually already stale dated. It's probably going to change in the next few weeks. What we've done is we've realized there's a lot of new drivers and provincial direction right now towards integrated resource management, more effective use of energy, reclaiming energy, nutrients from the waste stream. And we've basically taken a lot of that information and we've added it to the draft plan that we have. So you'll see a much improved version coming up shortly. If anyone's interested in attending some of the public sessions that are coming up, because once we've approved this draft plan for consultation, we'll go into a very intensive consultation mode. There's a flyer at the back that looks very much like this one that has public forum sessions on it. They start April 15th in Vancouver, April 21st in Richmond, April 22nd, it'll be in Coquitlam, but it's for those municipalities north of the Fraser River and the Fraser Sewage area. April 23rd will be south of the Fraser River at the Compass Point Inn, Surrey Hotel. Not sure where that is, but maybe it's not far from here, I don't know. And on the North Shore will be at the Lonsdale Quay on April 28th. And the format of these sessions is kind of structured informality. There is a brief presentation to get some discussion going, and then we're really there to listen for input. So that might be fun. We'll see where all this goes. There's a lot of other consultation underway, which some of you may be involved with. There'll be a technical forum in the first week of May for anyone involved with some of the technical committees that are associated with the Liquid Waste Management Plan. There's a lot of other different levels of consultation. There's First Nations, adjacent regional districts, member municipalities. So all that's still coming in April and May. Once we're through with all this consultation, a final report on what we have heard goes to our board probably in July, as well as the recommended final plan. Hopefully it gets approved by the board at that point, and then the member municipalities as well will go through their own approval processes, because quite a few of the actions, like I mentioned, are actually municipal in nature. And then it all goes off to the province for their consideration and hopefully approval at some point. So that's where we stand with the plan. We shouldn't have missed anything. Well, that's about it. So if you are interested, again, this is at the back of the room. It's got all the details, and there will also be ads in the press shortly, and so on.
Thank you, Ed. And there's more of us, because next one up is John Sidnell.